Good morning, good people. Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So let me take you along with us to go collect our rain Wi-Fi router today. Today it's Monday, the 6th of January 2025. So come along, guys. So we're looking forward to see what the rain has for us.
Yeah, this thing is big, one.
It's really nice.
Yo.
So look, guys.
What's inside the box? What's inside the box?
Okay, we have some cables.
Okay, what we call this an Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable.
Oh,
Yeah, it connects directly to a computer box or a desktop. That seems like
what's this?
that's a charger, an adapter, whatever you want to call it.
Okay, and then we have the cable, guys, and other things here. Okay,
What is this?
I don't know. It says cable. Yeah.
Cables and other things. That's what they're saying.
And then I don't know what is this, but it looks like it's some screws and something.
You know what I think this is? I think this is to attach it on the wall or something. I'm not sure, but we'll see.
Yeah, we also have the screws here.
Okay.
Yes, and we also have the cover, guys. We decided to go with black. So here is the black cover.
Where do you
cover
put it?
It's gonna be like this.
Nice.
Oh, let me just do it for you. So guys, this is how it looks after covering it with our black color. It looks very nice. I like it. Though I didn't like it at the first place, but now I see. Okay, I think that's all. Yeah.
Okay. Cheers, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your family and friends. See you on the next one. Peace.